For the universal page, you don't want so many options open here. So go to settings, go to navigation, and according to the rubric, you shouldn't have assignments there, so you're going to pull it down. So let's find assignments, pull it down. You shouldn't have Office 365, pull it down. Nor Studio, nor Pages. So you have Home, Syllabus, Modules, Grades, Discussions. Let's get rid of Quizzes, Announcements, and Conference Zoom. Once you finish doing that, click to save. And you should eliminate all the extra things that you have.